Wait. Wait na Rich. Okay, tapos na kami magpa-check up. Kakain naman kami ni Rich dito. Open it. Baliktad ito. Ito ano? Huwag mo. Mali. Thank you po. Go. Go, dali, go. Go inside. Dito. Ingat. Dito, dito. Dito. Dito, dito. Pwede po dito. Dali. You order na. Ingat. What you want? Baliktad. You want what? Okay, dito kami sa Jack's Cafe. Sama si Rich. What you want? You want carbonara? Carbonara? Or spaghetti? Or chicken wings.
Mama, I want
Sandwich. Not that. You want shake? Shake? You want shake?
Shakes? No, I don't like shakes.
Frappuccino. Strawberry. You want?
Ballerina.
You want? Cappuccino. Strawberry. Frappuccino. You don't like? Ano pa ba? Ice. Mocha. You want? Ayaw pa din. What you want? Let's try strawberry. Strawberry na lang.
Strawberry.
And carbonara. Okay?
Yes.
Isa pang strawberry tsaka isang carbonara. Tsaka po ayun lang. Yun lang. Dalawa na pong carbonara. Apo. Tsaka isang strawberry frappuccino. Okay, we'll wait for our order. Apo. We'll wait ha. We'll wait pa ha. Okay? Bibe, what did the doctor say? What did the doctor say to you?
Thank you, candy.
Huh? The doctor gave you candy? And then?
What is that, Mama?
It's a painting. Wall painting. It's hot here. Let's go there in the aircon. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's me again, Mommy Ella and Baby Rich.
I want to eat.
What you want?
I want to eat strawberry and red.
Dapat pala nag-order tayo na. Ano?
I want to eat and coffee.
Ha? What you want to eat? Huh? Coffee? You want coffee? No, dudat masira yan.
I want to eat.
What's that? Huh?
Mama, that's for me. That's for you.
The doctor said you should eat.
I want to eat and eat and eat and
All of it? Huh? The doctor said you need to eat a lot of fruits, vegetables, and what? And milk. Baby.
Another baby.
You're a baby pa.
It's baby pa, and the stomach of mommy.
Yes, when the baby go out, it's bigger than you. Sige, if you don't drink milk. The doctor said you should drink milk for you to have a big arms and big stomach.
No, I eat lots of food.
Yeah, you should eat a lot of foods. How about
Mama, no, that's not.
that's not what?
Mama, try that.
Don't go there na because you will fall down.
Mama.
This is Frappuccino. Frappuccino. Ito daw.
Mina cappuccino.
How about this? Mocha cookie crumble. You say. Baby Rich and I will eat carbonara. And what you want, Pana?
Strawberry.
Strawberry.
And vanilla.
And cappuccino. Strawberry and cappuccino? Huh? Hi, baby. Hello. You look. We'll wait for our food because they're still preparing our food. Dito lang to katapat nung pinag-check upan namin kay Dr. Sanchez. Kaso nga lang si Doktora ay wala. So yung isang doktor yung nandyan. Hindi ko natanong ang pangalan. Siya yung nag-sub. Kasi nasa convention daw si Dr. Sanchez. Ngayon, ang dami kulani ni Baby Rich dito sa kabila. Sa right and left. Yung sa left niya malaki. Tapos dito sa right niya, maliliit lang. Yung mga kulani. Kulani daw yung... Kaya, ano na kasi siya, 4 months na siyang umiinom ng pangpalaking at pang ano yun? Sa baga. Ngayon, wala pa ding progress na nakikita. So, nire-request kami na magpa-x-ray yung parents para makita. So, para magamot. Kasi, ano pala yun, mabilis makahawa. Kaya, ayun. We'll wait for our order. Malaki na si baby, oh. Baby, what is the name of our baby? Wala pa siyang name. Paglabas na. Frappuccino. Baby, tralala. Kada. Frappuccino, tralala. There you go. Our order is here na. Careful. You will eat there? Huh? Oh, this is your spoon. Ay, pork pala. Yan. This is yours. This is
Let's wait
Let's wait for
juice, huh? No.
Hello. You eat your strawberry. Huh? Thank you, Lord. That's it na.
Mama, I want juice. I want juice.
Just making the frappuccino pa.
Yeah?
making the Frappuccino strawberry flavor. She's making your Frappuccino. Tra-la-la.
What?
I thought this one. Yes. Bilisan mo ka na.
What is doing, Mama? A strawberry?
Yeah. Eat na. Tong sahur. Nga daw. Tra-la-la, tra-la-la.
Gabi, baba.
You eat na, ayan na, oh. There you go. Are you excited?
I'm excited. No, Mama, that's my juice.
Hmm?
That's my juice, Mama. That's my juice,
Mm.
Mama. Cause that's my juice. Cause that's not yours, my juice.
Yeah. Eat
Okay.
lang. Eat your pasta. Your carbonara. Eat this muna.
Wait. I wait for this way. Mama, let's wait.
You should eat first before daw.
Mama, ito. Wait down for drinking.
Yeah, it's so cute.
That's mine.
It's mine. Wow.
That's for me.
You will eat, ha? Eat po.
Nom, nom, nom.
Eat na. Before you drink again. So yummy, guys. Another. There's a sprinkle in the top. It's so yummy, guys. Bibi, are you happy? Are you happy? Are you happy?
Nom, nom. Try it, Mommy. It has sprinkles. Put dito, Mama. It's tayo. Mama, it's just like that. I say that. And like that. And put them in your mouth.
Okay. Like that? So yummy, guys.
Let's go.
Anak ko nagmana sa akin.
Like that.
Gonna drink again?
No,
Parang hindi.
no, not like that. This one, like that.
Ito daw? Like this? Iikutin daw. Wala naman eh. Ayun na.
No.
Ay.
This one. Mama, that's mine. That's yours.
You need to shake it. Halo mo. Ganda. Halo mo. Na. Ubus na, ang dami mo pang pasta. May ubus your carbonara. Mamaya na ulit ang juice. Kain. Baby Rich will going to school na. So yummy. Wow, there's a lot inside. Bus lang akin.
Dadat, Mama, ito dadat doon. Ito dadat doon.
The ocean.
In the ocean. Naman di bata say. The one that was the boy.
Rich, are you excited to go in the shopping mall?
Gandang.
Are you excited to go in the shopping mall? Huh? Yay!
I want candy. Dami candy.
And then?
Why you go in the shopping mall? Let's go eating.
Bilisan mo kumain, oh.
Nan.
Nga, dali. Ha? You eat first. Dali.
Oh, why you did my arms? Mama, I so angry. Did my arms.
I'm sorry. You eat na, dali. Basta. We're going to the shopping mall na. You want to go to the shopping mall na or mamaya pa? Eat mo.
It's yummy?
Eat na.
Mama, I want that. Wait, Mama. Let's take more now.
Sure.
What do you drink?
I will get that.
Will you eat vendetta?
The tissue. Iubos the bread. Dali. What you gonna buy in the shopping mall? Ano bibili mo sa shopping mall?
Someone is going.
Hmm?
Someone is going, Mama.
Someone is calling?
Mama, this more so sweet. Mama, it's so sweet, Mama.
It's like a strawberry ice cream. Ano? We're going to ano na? It's hot outside. Eat na. Eat na ah. Ayaw na.
Eat, Mama, eat daddy. Mama, eat daddy.
Please nang kain ko ah. Uy, wag ka dyan.
I am a lily right. I am a lily right.
What? What did you say? Wait lang.
Watch out, Mommy.
Dali, one more. Aray.
Mama, taste more.
So yummy.
Yummy, yummy.
Yeah.
It's yummy, it's yummy, it's yummy.
In my folder.
It's yummy, yummy, yummy. That's yummy, yummy, yummy. That's yummy, yummy, yummy.
Ay, nasak ba yung eating na? Anong bibili mo sa shopping mall? Ayan. And what?
Ding dong, ding dong.
You make mommy sick. What you gonna buy later? You're going to buy notebook? And what? You want what?
It's a piece of mine.
That's what?
That's the biggest nothing.
Yan, tapos na kami kumain, guys. Si Rich nandun sa labas. Binubuksan niya yung pintong. Kulit. Huh? Rich. Yeah, galit na yung ano. You pay na, pay. Kulit. Ang pay mo. Dinala niya na yung bayad. Get the change. Ito kami sa Jack's Cafe. At malaki na si Resyo. Nagbabayad na mag-isa. You wait. You wait. Ang bait Hihintay din naman si Eche. Okay na? Hige po. Wait mo daw. Come here muna. Come here muna. There's no change pa. Ha? Abang-abang niya talaga. You wait. Ha? Galaw na si si baby. Nabusog. Nabusog ang baby. Fair. Rich. Ate Rich. Hoy, what's that? What are you doing to your nose? Ha? Yeah, the change. What will you say? Huh? Let's go to the shopping mall na.
Go in the shopping mall.
Oh, what you gonna buy?
I'm candy.
And
then we candy.
And milk.
And milk.
You,
For baby.
you will drink milk
For baby.
for baby Rich. Okay, let's go na.
Go.
Hey guys, papunta na kami sa shopping mall daw si Rich. Go na! Uy! No! Wala don't! Nilagay ni Rich ba naman sa labas ay close open. Yan, let's go na. Nasa Walter na kami ni Rich. Rich, where are you going? Oh, hi guys, I'm here at Walter. Bibili daw siya guys ng cake. Go na! Gawin na eyeglass store. Walk! Dito, dito. Go! Go na, walk! Diyos ka. Yan, suot mo. Tingin daw. Suot mo. Oops. Oh, look at mommy daw. It's so small. I see.
Ay, yung pinakamaliit mo.
May I see that?
Ito mo, ganun nga lang.
Ayaw, dali.
Ayan, parang nakarabber siya mga simasang
You want that? Ha? You want that? Shh. Uy. Gusto mo blue? Ito malaki na po ano, yung pink na nasa gitna. Rich, look. Wait lang, look muna kay mami. Maganda yan, rubber.
Ayan, ayaw talaga niya ma.
Ayaw mo nang... Dahan, baliktad.
Malaki.
Malaki anak, it's big.
Gusto niya lang blue. Kaya lang malaki ma.
It's big anak, it's big. Wala na. Rich. It's big. Ayun na lang, pink. Ito, Smurfs. Ayaw yun talaga. Wag yan, big. Ayan. Yan. Try it. Oh. Baliktad, anak. Baliktad. Yan. Baliktad. You want this one? Tingin daw. Tingin ng mami. You like it? Tingin daw. You like it? Cute. You like it ba? Shh. Pero sakto naman. Tingin doon tenga. Tingin daw. You like it? Ha? It's big? It's okay? Show it in the mirror. I'm gonna show it. You like that?
Mama.
You like it?
Yes, Mama is the pudding.
The Smurfs. You like it? No.
Hi.
You like it? Ito, green. You try it, you try it. O, dahan-dahan ha. Tingin daw. Tingin daw mo. You like it? So small. Wala. Ayan lang. Ha? Wag yan, it's big.
Try it.
Ito, green one. How about that? Sige, open. Dahan-dahan ha. Yeah, it's red. Tingin daw. You like it? Tingin daw, look at mommy muna. Tingin daw. Tingin daw. Meow. You like it? Dali, choose na.
What do you want?
Try it.
Yellow?
Hindi mo pa nga tinatry eh. Look at mommy daw. You like it? Ha? You like it? Ito na lang anak, mas better. This one no, is better.
Oo nga. Bebe, look at your face.
Yun, dali. Look at your face in the mirror.
Yan. Face mo, yan.
Go. Yan. Ito. Ayaw niya lang gusto ko. Dahan-dahan lang ha.
Ayan.
Dali anak. It's big nga. It's big. It's big din. It's big din. Ito lang. Ito. It's big din yan. It's big. Oh. It's big. See daw. It's big for you. May I see that? May I see? May I see it?
I want the small one.
Oh, sige. Suot mo.
I'll try it.
Ay, baliktad. Baliktad. Yan. Tingin daw. Ah, you like it? Look at me daw. Shh. Look at me. Look at me. Ayun. Sala. She bells. Hi. You like it?
I like it.
Don't remove it. Ha? When you watch the cellphone na. Eh? Peekaboo.
Here, guys.
Ay, we gonna buy ano pala? Your hair.
Try
We gonna buy
Bye.
uyod. So yun guys, di namin nabili yung salamin kasi ano siya, hindi siya available yung lens niya. 3 days daw. Bali 3,000 with anti-rad na siya. Let's go. That's a monster. It's only for baby day day. Ito pala yun. Oh. What? What you want? And then you got your dede. You need to dede milk na.
Where's the baby? Not that, Mama.
It's your dede. I will buy you. What is that?
It's a slimy. Yes, Mama. Yes, Mama.
Dough na lang dough.
Oh.
Di ba I buy you that last time? It's big,
Mama?
small. It's spicy. I buy you that last time, di ba?
Mama?
What's this? Rich. It's 4 colors. Dough. What's that? Coloring book. So? Oh, it's so mahal. Hmm? It's a ball. May I see that? What's inside? I don't know what's inside.
It's a David boy.
Huh?
It's
Window
a
shopping muna
dinosaur.
kayo ni Rich. Ma?
It's a dinosaur. Mom.
Baby, how about this? Oh, it's big.
Mommy. Bawai. You can't do that.
Ito.
Okay.
I don't know what is inside.
Let's open it.
I don't know. Oh! It's so long. It's a sword.
Mom? Oh, that's not for you, Mama. That's for the praying kids.
Hmm?
That's
No.
for you, Mama.
No.
Sweet is that, Mama?
What? What, Rich?
Lion one.
What?
That's height.
What?
It's a height free boy.
Hmm?
It's height. That's what you buy.
What did you say to mommy? Rich, look. Oh, I have here. Yay, Rich. Rich, yummy. Pabili na si Rich ng ice cream. Pili na si...
It's a baby.
Oh, say what's out.
I love you.
Don't kiss it. Say, what's out.
Oh no, what's wrong with
Again, dali. I show to everyone.
the everyone?
Hi guys, I have a
What is
slime.
wrong? Help me, doctor. Why is... What happened? Nothing more there. What happened? It's broken? Yes, I do it broken. It's not moving. Let's help you. Maybe? Oh no. No, no. Bones. Oh, yeah. That fix. Let's fix together, everyone.
So, yun guys, baby reach by... What do you
Here
call
you
that?
go.
What do you call that? What do you call that, Rich?
Yeah.
It's a slime.
What is baby? Eating tayo. Here you go.
What is that?
It's a slimy. It guys. It is slimy. It's slimy then.
It's
Try
so...
it. Try it. Try to move.
Try to...
Here you go, time.
What is a slime? What is the slime made of? What is the slime made of?
What is slimy?
What's that? Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Broken. I'm sorry. I guess not broken. Oh! It has a broken head. What happened in my ground?
Don't shout.
It's nothing slime. Paint. Oil wet, oil white. Oil wet, oil white. Nothing! Oil wet, oil white.
Pagla sumabit sa hair. It's a prank.
Daddy thing. It's so very hot. It's so very hot, Mama.
It's okay.
Hi guys, this is a new vlog. Hey, hi. Hi.
Baby Rich is busog.
Kiss.
No, it's dirty. Don't kiss it. No.
Mama, oh, that's white. Slimy. Slimy.
So long.
Slimy. Slimy. Ah, it's broken. Slimy. Ah, that's funky. Wow.
Tong-tong sahur.
Oh no, oh no. Oh no, oh no. It's not broken.
Say tong-tong sahur. Tralalelo, tralala. Who are you?
I am Bawalina Cappuccina.
You're tong-tong sahur.
No, I don't like tung-tung saboy. I am ballerina cappuccina.
Ah, you're ballerina cappuccina. You're not rich. You're not rich, princess. Jelly? Whoa. Oh my God.
Look at more.
What's that?
Anak, why did you cap it? I told you not to put it in the bed.
No, that's mine. That's yours.
Okay. What you gonna make?
The for you just shake, make a shake, Mama.
Okay.
And I make a boy.
Okay.
It unshakes.
Okay.
Here, me.
I'm going to make...
Wait, Mama, wait. I made them for you.